guys, my name is Alicia Ortiz. You can call me Allie. I am an agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today I wanted to provide a video for sellers on the top 5 things you can do to improve your home to get it ready for the market. These things I'm gonna list are based on internet articles I've already done the research on, as well as personal experience. As a homeowner, it's probably overwhelming to think of the amount of things that you should be doing to get your home ready for the market, but what I wanted to focus on in this video is what will help you bring the most resale value back to your home. So let's get into it. Okay, so number 1 on my list is flooring. This is number 1 because installing new hardwood floors actually brought 106% return of value back to homeowners, and just refinishing hardwood floors brought 100% return of value back to homeowners. So it's something to really consider. Now I know hardwood is expensive, so there's alternatives. You can do vinyl or laminate flooring instead of the hardwood. They're cheaper, they're still durable, they're waterproof and scratch resistant. Going off on scratch resistant, if you are considering redoing hardwood floors or refinishing hardwood floors, please try to do them as close to listing your house as possible. Hardwood floors scratch easily, so you don't want to do all that nice work, pay the money, and then people see scratches on your floor. Number 2 on my list is outdoor spaces. If we've learned anything from the pandemic is that people really understand the importance of having a nice secluded outdoor private space. So homeowners, if you have a deck you're considering to redo, do it. If you have a patio that maybe is full of weeds or needs to be power washed, do it. These are small projects that will only make buyers more inclined to put an offer in when they come out and see that the space is ready for them to unwind after a long day of work. Other improvements to consider regarding outdoor spaces may be putting in a fire pit, a new fence, or just redoing landscaping. You're only just going to make the space a lot more nice and appealing to potential buyers. Number 3 on my list are kitchen upgrades or renovations. I know they can be pricey, but you don't have to just completely demo and redo your entire kitchen. You can just do minor upgrades to the hardware, painting or refinishing cabinetry, or just changing appliances. Kitchen upgrades and renovations bring the most resale value back to your home aside from redoing your floors. Number 4 on my list are bathroom upgrades. Whether it be an in-suite master bathroom or the main bathroom in the house, it's definitely worth upgrading because it will help bring resale value back to the home. I understand the idea of renovating an entire bathroom can be very expensive. You can make minor upgrades to your bathroom instead of redoing the entire thing. You can replace your vanity and put in a new one. You can repaint the bathroom to freshen it up, install new lighting to make it brighter and more clean looking in the bathroom, and replace hardware so you don't have to automatically go to the extreme end of the spectrum and spend thousands of dollars on redoing an entire bathroom. Number 5 on my list are energy efficiency upgrades. This can include replacing windows that you know are leaking in your home, installing new Energy Star rated appliances, or even putting in insulation or redoing the insulation in the basement or attic or crawl spaces. This is important not only for the environment but also for your pockets. No one wants to be paying extra in heating or cooling bills knowing that all their money is basically flying out the window, pun intended. So that's it with the top 5 things that buyers are looking for in this current housing market, improvements you can make as a seller to improve your home and bring back resale value. These next few things were not mentioned in any of the articles I did research on, but I felt were important to include in this video. So we already know this market's crazy. People are having bidding wars and paying $50,000, $100,000 over asking. Buyers want to know when they're making this investment that they're not going to have to make major repairs upon moving in. One thing would be an oil tank replacement. This is important not only for the environment but also for your pockets. If you already know you're kind of pushing the limits on your oil tank, you don't want to spring a leak. This leak can lead to hundreds of thousands of dollars in environmental cleanup and repair. So instead, why not pay $5-6 grand at most at replacing or decommissioning an oil tank? Another thing I would consider would be replacing your roof. If you have a roof that's already been servicing your home for 20 plus years, it's likely you might be on the brink of needing to replace it. So buyers will question how old the roof is and maybe not want to make the jump on a house that has an old roof versus a new roof. Something to consider. So these next two things aren't necessary, but they do create a little more incentive for buyers to want to place an offer. The first thing would be installing a generator, or even just having the hookup installed for a generator. Buyers really appreciate this because we've been getting hit with some pretty big storms recently, and if the power goes out for even a few days, you're going to spoil your food. But also, some people have people in their house that are reliant on electricity due to medical issues. Generator is just a sense of comfort for homeowners to know that they're protected during these superstorm situations. The last thing I wanted to mention, again, is not completely necessary unless you want to just up the ante on the amount of people interested in your home. You don't want to limit your clientele, so this is something that can open up the market a little more for you. This is an electrical car charging station. A lot of people in our society have electric cars now, so having an electric carport in your home ready to go is a convenience factor that some buyers might consider. This is a simple improvement you can make as a seller that will actually open up the market a little more for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found this video interesting, informative, enlightening, whatever it may be, give me a like or follow. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to be generating more videos for agents like me, potential buyers, sellers, investors. I want to keep people informed, and I like doing this. I appreciate all the time you guys have spent with me today. Thank you and have a good